Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how you can modify multiple lines in Visual Studio with a single cursor. Let's say, for example, I have all these numbers on Visual Studio. So let's say I want to add a single quote around this number. So the general way is I need to go one by one and add the quotes. So with Visual Studio, you can do it in a single line cursor. So you need to press Ctrl Alt and down key. Keep pressing the down key till you reach till the end. Then press the letter or the character that you want to assign, and you can go forward. Then press the single quote. So this is how you can modify multiple lines with a single cursor. Let us look at the same thing with lots of lines. Press Ctrl Alt and down arrow, and you can press down arrow till you reach the end. See, we have lots of lines here. So I am going to modify all these lines with a single cursor. So now, for example, I need a single quote around this and single quote after this and a comma. See, that's easy. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me.